Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look right here. What you guys think? I really like how it came out. It looks very fierce, very strong and sexy. I really had fun doing this look. I got to explore with a little bit of color, and the pop of yellow just gives it its boom, its touch. I would call this the Instagram baddie look because that's how you see them on Instagram. The eyes are super elongated, really fierce, very sexy in my opinion. I really enjoyed how this look came out today. If you liked it too, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave if you guys haven't subscribed already. And if you like how this came out and you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. So last night I tried doing the heatless curls. It did work. Look how curly this is. That is super curly. My hair's not this curly. So I'm trying to figure out if I like it, if I could do it again so I could show you how I did it, but we'll see. And also I dyed my hair really dark last night, so it looks darker than usual. I like it. I wanted to take off all the blonde I had. It was kind of patchy and all over the place. I already have my eyebrows done. I just did them. We're gonna start off with the Badescu facial spray. Guys, hopefully my eyebrows don't come off. I have a new sponge. I got these on Amazon. Look how big it got. What? Like, that's really, really big. I bought them on Amazon and it looked like a really good deal. It looked like a really good deal. It was a good deal. They were a good deal. They were only like $6 for like 5 of them. I could link them down below. Next I'm using the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I have the little tiny one. And I'm just going to put that all over my face as moisturizer. For primer today, I'm using the Milani Prime Perfection Face Primer, Hydrating and Pore Minimizing Primer. Just adding that in these areas. Get on my lips. For foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm also going to add a little bit of my older Super Stay makeup foundation that I have. This is the older packaging and this is the newer packaging. It's square. I like this one better and I haven't been able to find this color. It's just pure beige, and then this one is Warm Nude 128. So they changed that up. Either way, I'm going to mix them both and put that on my face. So today I'm going to try out these brushes I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. This is one of the brushes. It looks like the foundation brush for my face, or this one might be a foundation brush. I'm not sure which one is which. This one says face flat and this one says face round. I'm going to try the flat one. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Photogenic Concealer today, and this is in the shade CW04 Beige. To set them, I'm just using a little bit of powder. Any powder will do. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 120. I need to get a new one of these because I use this a lot. I love it. We're gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna put that all over my crease. I'm gonna add a little bit of tape to the outer part of my eyes. All my makeup will go in this direction. Going into the shade right next to it, I'm just gonna add that deeper into my crease. And I'm just gonna add that out on the tape. Really out, passing the eyebrow. So again, putting it all over my crease and then taking it out. And then I'm just blowing the brush off and then going in right here and just blending so the lines fade out. I'm gonna take this brown shade right here, and with the light hand I'm just gonna go in the outer part of my eye, the outer V area, but I'm not making a V, I'm just blending it in, and then we're gonna take it out just a little bit on the tape. Taking a flat brush, and I'm just going to use any concealer. I'm using the same one, the NYX concealer. I'm adding the concealer to the inner half of my eye. I'm going to go into this beautiful orangey, sunny, I don't know, kind of looks like Sunny Delight color right here. So I'm just adding that where I put the concealer. Next I'm going to take this very dark brown and I'm taking it on a little slanted brush. See that? I'm going to take this shade right here, the second shade that we used, right under my waterline. With a more pointed brush or something smaller, you're going to take this brown shade I'm going to go in halfway. I'm going to use the Nars concealer in light 2.2 Nougatine. To set my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to use these two shades right here. Okay, to contour my face, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I want to add a little bit of the yellow from the top. I'm going to add it right in the middle here. For blush, I'm going to use a little bit of this blush from Tarte. It's called Partaayy. I'm going to use this lip liner from Colourpop. It's called Good and Plenty. I'm gonna use this color right here. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick in the shade Day Slayer. I'm gonna get a little bit of the two shades that I got from the contour palette, and I'm gonna run it under my lip so it gives it a shadow. Then a little bit here. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Now if you could tell, when it makes this part up here like more wider, and like the lip is popping up. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Jouer highlight in the shade Skinny Dip. And that completes this look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!